Alright guys, what is up? This is Mihai and welcome to a brand new video. This time, yes, you've guessed it, we're going to check out the new Galaxy Buds. I have just received these yesterday and I already opened the box and I got to play with them a little and I was quite impressed, to be honest. These things pack a whole lot of tech in such a tiny body. Let's take a quick look of the box. It did come in a tiny package as well. And Samsung claims 6 hours of playtime for these, a clear call quality, wireless charging, which is key, I believe, for this product, and that they are designed for comfort and stability. Inside the box we get the earbuds, of course, the charging case, 3 different wingtips, and 3 different earbuds. These are different sizes for different ears, different people, you know. A USB Type-C cable and the quick start guide. So without further ado, let's unbox these. This is the quick start guide. If you need it, this is where you find it. If you don't, you can jump straight ahead, like everyone will do. And inside the box we have another box, shocker. This is where you find the different sizes, wings and earbuds, and also the charging cable, which is USB Type-C. That's a nice touch. Good Samsung. And the charging case containing the earbuds. This is quite small, just look at that. I don't have giant hands or anything. This is quite small. And inside, the buds themselves. That green LED shows that they are fully charged. By the way, the phone app, which is Galaxy Wearables, which will come pre-installed if you have a Samsung device, or you can find it on Play Store. So I meant to say that the app shows each individual bud's battery level, so that's also pretty cool to have. So let's just see how hard the pairing process is. Do I have the Bluetooth? Yep, I have the Bluetooth. Okay, you just open the case and voila, they are now paired. That's stupid simple. I mean, how can you go wrong with that? And this is the app I was just mentioning. Let's just put these aside for now. This is the app itself. Let me zoom in on that. Okay. So, as I was saying, these have a whole lot of tech on them, in them, and on them, of course, as well. Because, as you can see, this shiny part is a touch sensor. So you can fully control them just by tapping on them or holding, as you will see in a second. So you have different options. One tap means play or pause a track. Two taps mean play next track or answer or end a phone call. 3 taps play previous track. And the fourth one, which is touch and hold, is customizable. I've currently chosen volume up or down, which means if you hold the left earbud, it will lower the volume, and if you hold the right earbud, it will raise the volume, which I find pretty helpful. You don't need to touch the phone anymore. But you can also choose a voice command, or what I also find pretty helpful and useful is the quick ambient sound. Basically, these have an option of permanently ambient sounds to be enabled. So it will boost the surrounding sounds through the microphones into your ears, because these are earplugs after all, and they do isolate yourself from the environment. So the ambient sound will help with that. You will be able to hear what's going on around you. But there's also the quick ambient sound. So if you press and hold one of the buds, you will have the music lowered in volume and the ambient sound boosted, so you know what's going on if someone talks to you or something like that. So as I was just mentioning, these have a USB Type-C for charging, which is a nice thing to have. But you don't really need to use that, since they can also charge wirelessly through a wireless charger. Any brand, it doesn't have to be a Samsung one, or you can use the S10's power share feature to charge them. You just activate it, turn the phone over, place them on the middle of the phone, and it has recognized the Galaxy Buds and started charging. It's that simple, and since the buds don't have a large battery, it won't drain your phone too much. So, I've talked about how much tech there is in them and how convenient it is to carry them around because of their small size, how easy you can charge them, and it's almost the end of the video and I haven't talked about how they sound. Well, they sound good. Really good actually. Especially for some true wireless earphones of this size, they sound amazing. Are they audiophile grade? No. But that's not what the buds are meant to be. They're about convenience and mobility, and on those subjects, they score maximum points. The buds themselves weigh only 5 grams each and have a battery capacity of 58 milliamps. The case weighs 40 grams with a separated battery which has a capacity of 258 milliamps, which makes it capable of charging the buds fully and then some. The Galaxy Buds come at the price of $130 and they are available in white, black and yellow. But just to mention, in full disclosure, I did not buy these. I received them as a bonus through Samsung's S8 pre-order campaign. I don't think I would have gotten them otherwise, not because they're not good, but rather because I already had a bunch of other earphones which I was pretty happy with. That's about it about the buds. However, I have a request for you guys. If you can and will, give me any advice about how to make these videos better, please write in the comments. Feedback from you guys would be very much appreciated. Besides that, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you guys in the next one.